so here you have speed, here you have mileage, and I'm just going to go to second stat. That's where you find, no, I know. I go to stat, sorry. I go to stat, and then I go to edit, and that's where you find your lists, okay? If there is stuff in your list that you don't want to be there, you go up to the very top of the list, and you hit clear, okay? And then you hit enter, and it'll clear everything out of the list. So if I have like 2, enter, 3, enter, 5, enter in this list, if I go up to the very top, and I hit clear, and then I hit enter, it clears the list for you, okay? You with me here?
Yes.
I would say this would be a good place to be kind of hands-on, okay? So we have 14 data points. I think there's a way to make them increment up by 5s, but I'm just going to enter them in by hand. So I'm going to go 15, 20, 25. Tell me if I mess up. Hey, I should work at King Soopers. Oops, did I mess up yet? No. What? It goes up to 75, starting at 15. Tell me if I messed up anywhere. I don't think I did. Okay? Then, so you put that data into list 1, and then you go over to list 2. You must make sure that you're in the same place, like you have ordered pairs, right? Your 15 goes with your 22.3 and so on. Okay? 22.3. Here I have to be a little more careful. 25.5, 27.5, 29, 28. So when you get done, you have to make sure that the bottom, your top and your bottom of your 2 lists match up, right? Otherwise, you're going to get something like it said, it'll say dimension mismatch or something like that when you try to do stuff, okay? So you got to make sure if there's 14 items in list 1, there's 14 items in list 2. Everyone okay? Good? Okay? So then what you do, they want you to graph this graph it. Okay. First, what I would do is go to your y equals and make sure you don't have any equations on in there. Okay. So I'd clear out whatever's in your y equals. Okay. Then I would go to. So then what you want to do is you want to go second stat plot. See where it's above the y equals key, and where it says plot 1, you want to hit enter because that'll turn it from off to on. Okay, and you hit enter again, and now my stat plots are on. With me there? Yes? Okay. Once you're there, if this isn't selected, this is a scatter plot. Okay, this, I'm not sure what this is. This is a histogram. This is a box and whisker, which you probably don't want to do. So you want to make sure that you have the scatter plot checked. Okay. And you want to make sure that list 1 is your speed, and list 2 is where you have your mileage, right? And then the mark you use, usually I just leave it at this, and then you're done, and you hit enter, okay? And then to graph it, if you hit graph, okay, probably nothing's going to show up there, okay? So what you want to do most likely is go zoom stat, okay, which is down here. I think it's like number 9 or 10. Zoom stat number 9, okay. And if you hit zoom stat, then you should get a graph that looks something like that. Okay. Yes. Anyone have trouble with that? I'm not done yet. Not done yet. Good? Good, good, good. You're good. So you have to clear your lists. You have to make sure your plots are turned on. You have to make sure that You don't have anything into y equals, and then you have to zoom static so you could see the data. Now, the next thing they ask you to do is see which model fits best. What does that look like, kind of? Kind of like a parabola, right? So then what you do, okay, we're going to go second quit out of here, okay? We're going to go stat, calc, okay? Go over here, and then you go down to quadratic. See quadratic? Quadratic, okay? Because that's a quadratic regression equation, and you hit enter. Now, depending on which type of calculator you have, you might get a window that looks like that. Everyone get a window that kind of looks like that? No, what do you get?
Just quadratic.
You get quadratic.
We have
That's,
to enter.
I can help.
We get y, a, b, c, and r squared.
Oh, you hit it already? Okay. So let me just show you this way, and then I'll show you the other way, okay? Frequency list, you don't have to worry about that. Then what this allows you to do is put that equation directly into your y equals, okay? So if you have this window, okay, then you want to put this into y1. So you go bars, y bars, function, y1, that sticks that regression equation into your list 1, okay, without you having to type it in, you see. I'll show you how to do that if you don't have that window, okay. And then you hit calculate, and you go boom. And it gives you, so this is A, this is B, this is C, and if you go to your y equals, that equation automatically gets pushed in there. And then if you hit graph, boom. Does that fit pretty well? Okay? Yes?
How did you make it onto the y equals?
I just showed you that.
Yeah.
Do you have a different window when mine? I'll help you in a minute. Okay? The other thing, if you have second format, let me see. No, it's not. Where is it? It's in mode. Is it mode? Or sequential, real. What's down there? Oh, I think it's Dynamics on standard. What's math trends? Here. Let me see
How
what
do you do
this.
it with a TI-83?
I'm going to show you that in a minute.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
What is
That's what I'm trying to make it into a TI. Okay, Olivia.
Hi, yes.
So, if you have a TI-83, probably you get something like this, right? Okay. So if you have a TI-83, okay, you still go to quadratic, okay. You, I think, well, let me see if I remember. Okay, you have to go,
You just put y1 in front of it.
you put y1 in front of it.
Yeah.
So you go bars, y bars, function, y1,
And then I hit enter.
and then you hit enter, and then it should go into your y equals. Okay? I thought you had it stored, but it doesn't. So it puts it in there for you. You get it? What I just did?
Not quite, because it did it, for me, I did that, and I hit enter, and
got
it
an error.
said, yeah, I got an error.
You got it there.
There we go.
I don't know, does anyone else?
Okay, I'll help you.
It
So,
just told me to
but in any case, I'll help you guys individually with it in a second. The other thing it asks you is, where is the maximum? Okay, so approximately where is the maximum gas mileage or something like that? Do you know how to use your calculator to calculate the maximum? Hello, it's not by guess and check, it's not by tracing. You go second calc. You go to maximum, which is 4. It'll say left bound, so you go to the left of where you think the top is. And then it'll say right bound, and you go to the right of where you think the top is. And then you guess where you think the top is. And then you hit enter, and then it'll tell you that that maximum occurs at 45, 30.43. So to get your maximum gas mileage, you want to go about 45 miles an hour, and you'll get 30.4 miles per gallon. Okay? Questions? That's it.
That's it.
That's it. Yeah. I just wanted to show you that. Whoops, where'd my PowerPoint go? Okay. So, choosing a model, I think you can figure out all this stuff. They talk about the model for Coke and Pepsi. The soft drink usage is going down. Linear model might be best. And then that's your homework. Just 5 problems, okay? But you have to put data in and come up with the equation and all that kind of stuff. Yes, sir?
How many problems that this will be on the test?
1,
And when is the test? They're all like,
Tuesday, and last day.
okay.